Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Resin. Today I am making a resin pen with beautiful color combination, red and golden. I am making it with the help of epoxy resin, colors and golden flecks. You can get idea of pen colors for making just like that a beautiful pen. I hope you are enjoying. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Very easy to make and we get beautiful things just like pen, pendant. You can make just like that. With the help of glitter, you can make just like that. This is also a beautiful idea. Just like that. Thank you.